Hello guys, and welcome to the first lesson where I'm going to show you what is the perfect image that you should use for this kind of project and what should be the composition. So first of all, here's our project, and as you can see it consists of few objects. For example, the guy, the first object, his skateboard, and these three shapes, the 3D shapes, this one, and this one, and also the floor, which is also moving up and down. So let's pause that and go to Unsplash first. So Unsplash is actually a perfect place to find images that you need for your work. And here, for example, we can just type jump. And here we will have a lot of examples, for example, of the images that we can use for our project, or also you can use for your next projects, I would say. And for example, this guy is jumping, and we could also use that. So we just have to remove the background and then make him move. So, or for example, this guy also is jumping. We can also remove the background and make him go up and down. So also another thing to notice is that the hands should be away from the body, so they should not touch the body. Basically, like this we can move them up and down. So for example, as you can see here, the hands are going up, and then this hands also, as you can see, is going up and down. And it's very important that it's not touching the body. So for example, this one could be used. We could move these hands here because they're not touching the body, or the legs we could also move them because they're not touching the body. This one we couldn't use it because, as you can see, it's touching the body here, and if we move the hands, also the body will move. So later when I will explain you the technique how to move the hands, you will understand exactly what I mean. Just for now, just remember that the hands and basically the parts that you want to move has to be separated from the body. As you can see, this is a perfect example that we can use for our project because everything is separated, so we can move the legs, the hands, the head, and everything else. And of course, it doesn't have to be a person. I mean, you could also advertise some other stuff. For example, it could be watches. It could be watches going up and down. Let's say, oh, if you're advertising some cakes, it could be cakes. For example, here in the middle we would have one cake, and then 1, 2, 3 other cakes in the background going up and down. So it could be actually anything. And the best part is that this type of advertisement usually gets like 10x more views from the people in Instagram and Facebook. So it's actually pretty effective for the marketing. And also, just to show you some more examples of this type of project, for example, this one also with 3D shapes going up and down, and here, as you can see, the girl is also going up and down. And here actually the shapes were perfect because her legs and her hands are separated from the body, so I can move all of them. Or here, for example, another option, as you can see, the same thing, but here we don't have 3D shapes, it's just circles and triangles, and you could actually do this as well. So it just depends on your creativity, and as soon as we finish this project with you, you will be able to create your own project as you wish, and just the rest is just depends on your creativity and how you can think of it. So that's it for the composition and for finding the perfect image. So see you guys till the next lesson. Bye.